Jordan Brand continues its tradition of quietly innovating the AJ1 Mid, releasing a fresh sail, dark team red, mystic hibiscus and coconut milk colorway for fall 2025. Though the AJ1 Mid often flies under the radar compared to the high and low top retros, it remains a consistent presence in the brand's seasonal lineup. This women's exclusive release showcases vibrant mystic hibiscus accents on the toe, eyelets, and outsole, complemented by a rich dark team red swoosh and heel panel. The base and wings logo feature a pre-aged sail tone, while a creamy coconut milk midsole completes the vintage-inspired aesthetic. As the Jordan 1 shattered backboard high top prepares for its return, the Mid holds its own with bold color blocking and subtle throwback cues. Often paired with AJ1 Lows and themed drops, a similar iteration of this design may appear soon. Expect this standout Mid to hit shelves in fall 2025 in women's sizing.